There's another one for the books. Apparently he was getting warm. Funny. Well, son, this is what it looks like when you are passed out. Dude, this is hilarious. You seriously fell asleep like this? How did you even do that? You're funny. Okay, bye-bye.